In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to jump to a named range in Google Sheets. If you've ever spent time scrolling through a large spreadsheet trying to find a specific section, this tip will save you time and frustration. Named ranges are labels you give to specific cells or blocks of cells. Beyond making formulas easier to read, they also let you jump straight to exactly where you need to work. Start by opening your Google Sheets document. Make sure you're in the correct file, and if your spreadsheet has multiple tabs, that you're aware of which tab contains the data you want. Named ranges can live on any tab, and Google Sheets will switch tabs for you when you jump to one. Next, look to the top of your screen and click the Data menu. This is where Google Sheets keeps tools that help manage and analyze your information. From the drop-down that appears, choose Named Ranges. If you don't see it immediately, scroll the menu. It's usually near the middle of the list. When you select Named Ranges, a panel will open on the right side of your screen. This sidebar lists every named range that exists in the current spreadsheet. You'll see each name along with the cell reference it points to, and often the sheet name as well. If this panel looks empty, that just means there aren't any named ranges yet in this file. In that case, you'll need to create some before you can jump to them. For now, if you already have named ranges, let's continue. Browse the list until you find the named range you want to go to. The names are designed to be descriptive, so look for labels that match the section of data you need. If there are many, take a moment to scan carefully. Keeping clear, consistent names will make this step faster in the future. Now, click the named range you want to jump to. As soon as you do, Google Sheets will automatically take you there. The sheet will scroll to the exact location, and if the named range is on a different tab, it will switch to that tab and highlight the cells. This is particularly helpful in wide or long datasets, or when you're working with multiple sections spread across several sheets. That's all there is to it. Using named ranges as navigation anchors keeps your workflow smooth, reduces errors from clicking around, and helps you and your collaborators stay aligned on where key data lives. Give it a try in your next project to move through your spreadsheet with confidence and speed.